Fully illustrated and filled with real-world examples, this book explains the basics of psychology, from how people think, feel and behave to how scientists can study and be sure about what is actually going on in other people's brains. Psychology is the study of mind and behavior in humans and non-humans. Psychology includes the study of conscious and unconscious phenomena, including feelings and thoughts. It is an academic discipline of immense scope, crossing the boundaries between the natural and social sciences. Psychologists seek an understanding of the emergent properties of brains, linking the discipline to neuroscience. As social scientists, psychologists aim to understand the behavior of individuals and groups. Find the link below and buy the book now.